Hey guys, welcome to Indie Studio. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stylish poster design using Adobe Photoshop. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, don't forget to click on subscribe and don't forget to click on that bell icon. So without any further ado, let's move into the tutorial. First, let's drag and drop these images on work done. So drag over here and let's drag this image over here too. So for first, let's turn off the visibility for layer 2 and let's scale the layer 1. So select layer 1, go to edit, free transform, and holding on Alt and Shift, let's drag. Click enter. And let's create a layer mask. Go to brush and make sure the color is black. And let's get rid of these edges over here. Okay, now let's turn on the visibility for layer 2. So turn it on. Again, same thing. Click on layer mask, make sure the color is black, and let's draw it and let's make it a little bigger. So Ctrl T, this is color. Alright, let's make the background a little bigger. Or maybe flip it. Okay. And now select the layer 1 and go to image, adjustment, and hue and saturation. From this, just let's change the hue color. Maybe somewhere like here. And increase the saturation. Increase the lightness down. Okay. And same thing, select the layer 2, go to image, adjustment, and again hue and saturation. Alright. Now let's create a new layer and let's fill it with some gray color. And let's turn the opacity down to 40, 39, 40, or maybe a little down. Okay, I think like 24 looks good to me. Alright, and let's select the layer 2 and go to filter, camera raw filter, and let's do some adjustment over here. So increase the clarity, just decrease the highlights, increase the shadow, increase a little bit of exposure, and click OK. Alright, let's click on the layer mask. I'll like to get rid of these edges over here, so select the brush. Alright, let's make it a little bigger. Edit, free transform. Alright, and for the background, let's make it a little darker. Maybe a little lighter than that. Okay, let's select the layer 1 again and let's make it like way bigger. make it a little smaller, so I want to see his eye. Maybe something like that. This looks good. And let's decrease the opacity a little bit. Alright. Now let's add the text. So create the vertical text and let's move this text on top. And let's change the color to white. And then I'll just put somewhere over here. Then let's make it a little bigger. And let's change the font. Alright, I think like this font looks good to me. And let's add a small shape layer over here. Let's make it a little bigger. And let's select this. Let's drag, Alt and drag. Alright, let's change the color to white, and same thing to this layer too. Change the color to white. Alright, and let's create a simple shape layer over here. Let's change the color to gray. Same thing, Alt and drag. Let's over here. Now let's add some text on the bottom. So over here. And let's add one more text layer. And let's add a simple shape layer again. And let's duplicate this ellipse. So select this layer and Alt and drag. Again one more time. Again one more time. Alright, let's add one more text. And let's add some shape layer on the side. One more. Let's drag and drop over here. Let's duplicate it and then just move it to the other side. Maybe somewhere like here. Let's see like what we can do with this opacity. Maybe it's too much. Let's add one more text too. Now that's the final, and I hope you guys learned something new from this video. And again, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, don't forget to click on that subscribe, and see you guys on the next video.